There can have both abstracted and non-abstracted method filed in it as remember. When do you not analyze a method in art right? Then they are abstracted, while the one that are analyzed are called non-abstract. In the abstract method, the class that implements and that implement the traits takes care of the analyzation. Now let's quickly understand scalar traits with the help of some example. Some example of scalar. Scalar traits syntax. The syntax of the scalar traits in character part defined by it is defined by it is defined it is defined by keyword traits followed by the name of the traits. As you can see from the above trait definition, a trait named datacam has defined, which has no variable and method defined inside it. Let's move one let's move on a simple example to scalar traits which will which will let's move on to a simple example of scalar traits in definition scalar traits which will give you much more clarity on loan maxing, which we have to value do data command as much of clarity of data work programming administration are discussed in the introduction. The scalar traits are inherited by a class using the extend keyword. Let's define a traits named scalar course which will be inherited by the scalar data. Inside the trait, you will define an abstract method called scalar, which will be defined in the datacom class. Example: in the above example, the method scalar of integration.